How to fix the sound not working in Microsoft Edge. So if you're trying to play something like a video and you can't hear the audio in your browser, I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is make sure your page is not muted. So you can do that by right clicking on your tab, and you'll see here we can either mute or unmute the tab. So if you see the option for mute, it means it's already unmuted. But if it says unmute tab, that means the tab is muted and you can go and click on this to unmute it. Now if it's still not working, click on the 3 horizontal dots in the top right hand side and then go and click on settings. You then need to click on reset settings and click on restore settings to their default values. You can then go and press reset. Now once again you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then come over to your desktop, go and right click on the volume icon and click on open volume mixer. Make sure your volume is turned up like you see here, and also make sure your sound is not muted. You can then click on the drop down arrow next to output device and make sure this is set to your speakers or your headphones. Now also if you see Microsoft Edge in this list of apps, then just make sure the volume here is turned up like you see, and once you've done that, that should have now fixed any no sound issues in Microsoft Edge. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.